Hi everyone, it's Christi Hill here, and I want to give you a real, no fluff update on what's happening in the Eastern North Carolina real estate market right now as we head into fall of 2025. So the biggest question I'm getting is, has the market cooled off? And the answer is yes and no. What we're seeing is less of a cool down and more of a breather. Inventory is up slightly from the summer, which means buyers have a few more options to look at. And homes are sitting on the market for a little longer than normal on average. So for my buyers out there, this is your window. With less competition, you have more time to think, to do your inspections, and to actually negotiate. You're less likely to be pushed into a wild bidding war with interest rate adjustments and the shift. You may have a little bit more power back into the transaction itself. And for my sellers, don't panic. Demand is still incredibly strong. The process has slowed. That just means that pricing your home correctly from day one is more critical than ever. The homes that are clean, well-maintained, and priced at market value are the ones getting the best offers, and fast. This is where having a strategic plan really, really matters. So to sum it up, the market is balancing out. It's a great time for buyers to get back in the game, and it's an excellent time for sellers to cash in on their equity with the right strategy. If you have any questions, or if you're even thinking about buying or selling here in Eastern North Carolina, please consider letting me be your answer to real estate. Thanks for watching and have a great week.